So now I have my servo, so not a cheap one, so but enough for this RC car, so I'm going to put it in it.
I don't really know what comes next, I'm just doing my best even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test.
Like here, so I have to put it there. So, but I need something else, something like this. Yeah, you need some spaces to be see if when you put your servo in it, that the screw here in the middle, the same thing is like the middle of your chassis. So the easy way is to put it so, and what I see is good. You have to choose between the B16, B17 or B18. You take the B17 for this servo, so you have to see what you need for what servo you used. So, but now is good, so I can continue these two walls. So I need to screw that. Wow, so many pieces. So I need something like this. So we got some bearings with this kit, but I take this one for upgrading, so I don't going to use the plastic ones. So we're going to continue and to put the gears here in. Put some grease in it so it's stay in. So that's easy. And now I have to put air in too. That's okay.
This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic. You can't stop it, it's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Go!
To last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic. Got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it.
Okay. Alright. That's done. So you have the short wheelbase and you have the middle wheelbase and the long wheelbase. So what I need is 23.9 millimeter, so that is the long wheelbase. So you can make the short chassis of the middle of the long one, so you have to choose. But to put this one together we need some more stuff than these two pieces, because this is only for the short wheelbase, so we need some other pieces, and I see there is the B9 and the B8, the B11 and the B10 we need to make the long wheelbase. If you need some for the middle wheelbase, you need the B4 and the B3. So that's all the other pieces. Now I need these two one.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive?
That's done. So we need this rear one here on the front, so, and we need these two here. So we got here other washer, plastic washers, so I'm going not to use that, and better washers. So now we're going to do the shaft, purple shaft. So we need to put some grease here, so I have only marine grease, so I'm going to use that because Tamiya give not enough with it, so but that will be comes good with marine grease too. So then after to put the pins in it, so I take a little bit enough. Just like this. Then we need these two little pieces.
Just don't be ignored. Go ask for more. Go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide.
Oh yeah. So I forgot this. So we need do all of it again. And then this, yeah, and then this, just like this. So what I need to do here, just this, And so that's okay now. That's what you need. So don't forget the B2 little washers, you can call that. 18 now, so we have to put it somewhere here on the side. We need to put it here on the side, and that's comes just like this. We need some other pieces too. The EA6, so you can see here 6.6, very easy to know. And we need little screws just like this one, 4, so we have 4. But before I do that, I'm going to put a little bit more grease on it. So that's pretty nice. That's done. Now we're going to continue on 19, so that's package C. So everything that I need from pack C, I put it here, and also the pieces that I need to continue the build. Also I put bearings in place from the plastic bearings, rear arms that I'm going to make too. So we need 4 screws, so 4, yeah, 4. Then we need these 2 pieces, 2, 1, and then 4 this, yeah. Then we need 4 of this one, so you can see it on the plan. There are these 2, and so we can begin with 19 and 20. So what I have to do is first this on this, and to put it together just like this. The other one just the same thing. It's too big. So then we need this. And we need 6 mm between these two, so a little bit more this one, a little bit more the other one. And I got 6 mm, so that's good. I can check on the plan, yeah. That's really good. So I have to cut this a little bit. So that's done. So now I have to do the shocks. So I did one shock. I'm going to show you how I did it. So first so, then this one here, this one here, this one here. Then you have to put it inside and then just a turn, and it's done. You have your shock. Very fast, easy.